specifically in talent analytics space, when we apply predictive models, we have to be very, very careful. Because you can build models to tell you the insight of a problem, but you should not try to take it to a step further and start predicting a lot of other things. And that brings to another point over here. Attrition, right? A lot of people have talked about it. I'm also going to talk about attrition as a use case. And in an organization, when an attrition happens, your colleague or any person who leaves the organization, most of their friends already know about it. Okay? They have a very good idea that this turnover is going to happen if it is a voluntary turnover, right? You would typically say, "हाँ यार, उसका मेरे को मालूम है," right? You will say that. If you know that, then why didn't the data know it? The answer to that question is, when you connect with that employee, you connect with that employee at a different level. You know the circumstances associated with that employee at that moment in their lives, both personal and professional, and to some extent you have a very good idea of what their benefits, compensation, and you may not know the number, you have an idea. When we build models, we do not end up accounting for every one of these parameters, and that is why these models do not perform as good as they should. Because if you knew it, if you have a very good idea here, and I kind of had a hunch, then the model should also have more than 50% probability of that. So those are the things which has to be taken into account when we are kind of touching on predictive analytics in talent domain.